Assalamu alaikum everyone. I have a surprise for all of you today, a treat. As you can imagine, you always get treats from me. This is basically sugarcane, okay? And I am visiting a sugar factory. Sugar, brown sugar is made here, pure sugar. You cannot get more pure than this. This is made purely from sugarcane juice. So all you can see here is around me, these are dry sugarcane remains basically, right? So that's where the factory is. You can see fire burning behind me. This gentleman is burning fire, okay? And what they do here is they take the juice, they extract the juice from sugarcane, and then there is a furnace. They are burning fire here. You can see this is a sugarcane factory or sugar making factory. This is the purest form of sugar. No chemicals involved. They take the juice, they boil it. When it dries, they use it as sugar. Okay, you cannot get more pure sugar than this. And I'm gonna show you the entire process, how it works. Okay, by the way, I'm near Peshawar. This is very, very close to Peshawar. I'm about 20 kilometers from Peshawar. Okay, and today I was going to visit Peshawar to look at some manuscripts, some Islamic manuscripts. But before I do that, I wanted to show you this. This is now sugarcane. You can see this is green, raw sugarcane, and this is where the juice comes from, right? And when juice is extracted, then it is used for different purposes. They are drying some at the distance. You can see that light color remains of this, I don't know what to call it. And then when it's dry, it becomes that, and it's used for burning. Okay, they use it for fire, they use it for roofing and different things. So this is sugarcane, right? So this sugarcane is put through the machine, right? This is the machine, that's where the juice comes out. And when the juice comes out, this is where the juice goes. Now this is the treat. Okay, now you can see sugar being made.
Oh wow.
This is sugar under construction. You can see. Salam Baroji, salam. Okay, these brothers are very close to Peshawar, and I thought I must share this with you. This is something to see. This is now sugar, pure sugar juice boiling, and when it dries, it is put into sacks. You can see these sacks behind me. Sugar goes into these sacks. Gud koi pada hai, thoda sa dikhaएं. Acha le liya. ठीक है जनाब. ये, look at this. This is what it becomes. This is now sugar. Can you believe it? Subhanallah. Okay, this is pure sugar. I want to take it in light so that you can see it clearly. This is now raw pure sugar. This is sugar juice dried that comes from these, sugarcane harvests. So we have bought some. We're going to use it. It is called, in our local language, it is called gur. Gur literally means brown sugar. Okay, and this is what it looks like. This is, you can call it brown gold. I mean, it is as good as gold, and you can't go wrong with it. Okay, you're not going to get diabetes or anything like that from it, as long as you consume it in reasonable amounts. And look at this, how it's been made. Okay, there's a big pool of sugar juice. Is being cooked, and when it dries, it becomes what I showed you. So I hope you liked this video about sugarcane juice and how to make sugar in Pakistan near Peshawar. Okay, and there is more coming. I will be sharing more interesting stuff with you. So I thought, this is something people might not have seen around the world, and this is one of the ways to show people how gur or brown sugar has been made for centuries in places like Pakistan. Of course, they use these modern machines now to extract juice, but previously there were other ways to extract juice from these. So these are basically grown locally, okay, and then juice is extracted, and then comes sugar. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Share the video and support the channel, subscribe to the channel and support our work. Assalamu alaikum.